Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Muhammad Shakan. Now, welcome you to my online class. Hi, students. I hope you are well by the mercy of Allah. Today, I am going to discuss about preparing or making a paragraph. With the help of you, I think you are in front of me. I missing you all so much. I am missing you. Now I will make a paragraph with the help of you. You help me to make a paragraph. Today I will discuss about a real hero. He cultivates our land, he provides our food and other daily necessaries. He is our really real hero. I hope you have the idea about him. Who is he? He is farmer. Farmer. We can find out some important points of the farmer's life. Who is he? Or who is a farmer? Way of life. Way of life. Financial condition. Financial condition. Landless or with land. Family condition. Family condition. Our duties to them. Conclusion. We can discuss about who is a farmer, who have life, financial condition, landless or with land, family condition, our duties to them, conclusion. I wrote some points, some important points of a farmer. You help me to write. Now I want to discuss about the point from the beginning. Who is a farmer? Who is a farmer? Do you know who is a farmer? Do you have any idea? Yes, we have idea. The person who cultivates, who produces agricultural product, who cultivates our land is called a farmer. The person who cultivates our land and produce is called a farmer. A farmer. The person who cultivates our land, যে লোক আমাদের ভূমি চাষ করে and produce agricultural product, কৃষিজ দ্রব্য উৎপন্ন করে, or our daily necessaries, শুধু কৃষি দ্রব্য না, আমাদের দৈনিক জীবনে যা প্রয়োজন তা উৎপন্ন করে, is called a farmer. তাকে একটা কৃষক বলা যায়। Now point number 2, I hope you wrote it. Now point number 2, way of life. When you see a farmer, যখন একজন কৃষক দেখো, what you see, তুমি কি দেখো? About his life and way of life, তার জীবন সম্পর্কে, তার চলা সম্পর্কে। I think a farmer, I think, not I think, I see, we see every day. A farmer is very simple in his way of life. A farmer is very simple in his way of life. He wears simple dress and behave simple with others. A farmer is very simple in his way of life. He wears, একজন কৃষক তার চলার পথে, তার জীবন চলার পথে খুবই সাদাসিধে। He wears simple dress, সে সাধারণ পোশাক পরে, and behave, এবং আচরণ করে simple, সাধারণ, with others, অন্যদের সঙ্গে। সে সাধারণ চলাফেরা করে, সাধারণ পোশাক পরে, এবং অন্যদের সঙ্গে সে খুব সাধারণ, সাদাসিধে আচার আচরণ করে। Am I not true? I think it's true about a farmer. Then our points now 3. Landless with land. ভূমিহীন, ভূমিসহ। Sometimes we see some farmers have no land to cultivate, but some farmer has land for cultivating. We can write down, most of the farmers have no land for cultivation or cultivating, but some farmers have a few or a large amount of land, cultivable land. Most of the farmers have no land for cultivation. অধিকাংশ কৃষকের চাষ করার জন্য কোনো ভূমি থাকে না। বাট সাম ফার্মার্স হ্যাভ, কিন্তু কিছু কৃষকের রয়েছে এ ফিউ, সামান্য, অর লার্জ অ্যামাউন্ট অফ ল্যান্ড, অথবা বেশি বা অনেক পরিমাণ ভূমি আছে। অনেকগুলি কৃষক আছে যাদের প্রচুর সসম্পদ, তারা কৃষিকাজকে পছন্দ করে। আবার অনেক কৃষকের নিজস্ব কোনো জায়গা বা ভূমি নেই। হি কাল্টিভেটস অন দ্য ল্যান্ড অফ আদার্স, আছে অনেক এরকম। আবার ল্যান্ড আছে, এরকমও আছে। তাইলে আমরা আমাদের এই পয়েন্ট বুঝতে পারছি। Some farmers have a vast kind of vast amount of land. On the other hand, some it's not some. Most of the farmers have no land to cultivate. Family condition. Family condition. This is an important point of a farmer. Family condition. We see a farmer has a large family. Most of the farmers have a large family consisting 8, 6, 7, 8, more than 8 members. Most of the farmers have a large family consisting 7 or 8 or more than 8 members. Most of the farmers have a large family consisting 7 or 8 or more than 8 members. অনেক কৃষকের, অধিকাংশ কৃষকের বড় পরিবার রয়েছে, 7 জন, 8 জন অথবা 8 এর চেয়ে বেশি সদস্য সহ। আর do you think dear students, do you think or can you guess why their family is large? I have an idea. I think they don't know about the proper rules of birth control. Is not it? They don't know the proper rules of birth control. So their family is large. I'll write it. Many farmers don't know, জানে না about proper birth control system or method. So their family is large. Here another point why their family is large. But I think when when they get proper food to eat, their family and their condition is better. But sometimes they have no food, then their family condition will not be good or better. I can write it. Can I write it? Yeah, I'll write it. Sometimes they have to starve due to lack of food. Sometimes they have to starve due to lack of food. Sometimes মাঝে মাঝে they have to starve, তাদেরকে উপোস থাকতে হয় due to lack of food, খাদ্যের সংকটের কারণে। In a rough weather, খারাপ আবহাওয়ায় they do not work or cannot is better. They cannot work or they don't get work, so they have no salary in a rough weather, খারাপ আবহাওয়ায় they cannot work, তারা কাজ করতে পারে না, or they don't get work, অথবা তারা কাজ পায় না, so they have no salary, তাদের বেতন নাই, and no food, তাদের খাবারও নেই, then their family condition is very much rough or very much bad. I'll remove it. Our duties to them. I think it's the most important point for a farmer. Our duties to them. We have lots of duties to perform for a farmer, for farmers, such as we have lots of duties to them. We have lots of duties to them. We should pay proper salary and respect. We have lots of duties to them. তাদের প্রতি আমাদের অনেক দায়িত্ব রয়েছে। We should pay আমাদের উচিত প্রদান করা, পরিশোধ করা proper salary, যথাযথ বেতন, and respect এবং সম্মান। Sometimes or in some circumstances we don't think that farmer is a human like me. It's very bad. It's very painful and pitiful. So we should respect them and give them their due salary and due respect in our society. They are our hero. They are our hero. They cultivate, they produce, and we eat or we collect them. Without their production, without their cultivation, we will not exist anymore. Our existence will be very tough. So we should give them proper respect and due salary. At last, conclusion. Ours is an agricultural country. Agricultural country. So we are mainly depend on farmers. Ours is an agricultural country. আমাদের দেশটা কৃষিপ্রধান দেশ। So we are mainly depend on farmers. তাই আমরা প্রধানত কৃষকের উপর নির্ভর করি। We should provide them with the scientific method of cultivation. Then their condition will be better. We should provide them with scientific method of cultivation. আমাদের তাদেরকে বৈজ্ঞানিক পদ্ধতিতে কৃষিজ চাষাবাদের প্রক্রিয়া বা পদ্ধতি এটা সরকারের সঙ্গে আমাদের সঙ্গে আমরা সমন্বয় করে তাদেরকে এটা প্রশিক্ষণ দিতে হবে। Then their condition will be better. তখন তাদের অবস্থা ভালো হবে। It was my journey of making a paragraph. এটা আমার একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ নিজেরা তোমরা সহ একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ বানানোর একটা যাত্রা ছিল। তো এই যাত্রা অব্যাহত থাকবে। আমরা আরো অনেক কিছু তোমাদের সাহায্য নিয়ে নিজেরা পয়েন্ট আউট করে বানাবো। I hope that you have a good idea about simple sentence and simple word. We should use simple sentence and simple word to write about anything. It will be helpful and it will help you more and more. No more today. Inshallah, we will meet soon with another topics. Assalamu alaikum.